And like that, we're back, baby. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Today, we're back on the Ducati. What's up, Andrew?
What's up, yo?
How's it going?
Yeah, it's fine.
You think we can finish this today?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, I did my homework. Sanded, painted, clean, all black. Now the bike is mounted up. She's hanging right now. So we're gonna put this back on. Now what else is pending? We need to finish the footrests. We need to change the chain, change the air filter on the bike. I think it is under the tank. And a couple of more things. The headlamps, we need to buff it out. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully we're trying to complete it today. Fingers crossed, stay positive and try to get it done because I do miss the bike. I use it on a daily basis and I miss not having it in hand. So fingers crossed, we finish it up today. But first, let's jump on to getting this mounted on and see how it looks. I'm pumped to see how it looks. I just want to black everything out on the bike. It should either be red or black. That is my goal here. There might be some grays here and there. For example, these right here. It's too much work to remove and paint again, so I'm not even going to try. And it is an old bike, so if I do remove something and I might have to do more work on it to bring it back to life. So just going to leave it as is. Whichever I could remove, I did remove and painted it again. And whichever I could change, I changed it to black. But I did want the red tank, so I'm holding on to that because it matches with the red guts on the bike. But pumped, guys, pumped. Finally, we're going to reveal the Ducati hopefully in today's video, so stay tuned. I think you guys have missed out on the sprocket. The last time we quickly changed the sprocket out at the end of the day because we had to move the bike outside. So we got the new sprockets in, front and back, as Andrew would call it, gears. So now they're much better. We just have to change out the chain. But now that we're trying to fit the footrest back on, the thread on the screw here has lost its thickness. So we're trying to bring the thread back, get it back so that it fits in snug. Is that right?
Yes, it's right.
My man Andrew can fix anything. So, you guys want to get your bikes fixed, bring it to Tencent Garage. There's a couple of shops, one Tokowan, one in Khotan. Bring it down, he'll make it happen for you. But for now, let's fix this up and put it back on. Not sure if you guys can see it, but it's mounted up. It's more camo now. It's gone all black. That's what we wanted anyways. Think we are achieving what we want. Now we have to fit in the gear levers next. That I did get OEM black ones so that we don't have to sand the old ones and paint it. This will look much better. That is a little bit bent out. This is going to look much better. And then we'll pull the bike out and we can see it in light. In the reveal, hopefully it'll look better. And the next to fit would be the high flow air filter that I picked up from K&N. So this is gonna go in, and I've got an exhaust wrap as well. This is gonna look really sick. I'm excited to see how this looks because right now the exhaust is all colored out. It's obviously not titanium, so it's not the rainbow colors. It's all rusted out. And when I'm riding, it burns my leg. So we're going to put this on and see if that reduces any of the heat coming out and holds it back in. So one side is done and Andrew is on the other end. So I can't change the chain until this is set in. So in the meantime, I'm going to remove the tank shells. Sorry, the body coverings. Multiple names for it. I leave a name right here. You guys can know what it is. So remove this, and so that we can fit the high flow air filter onto this. I'm going to jump on that now. That's come out. Just like how we put it back on, took everything off. Now the fuel tank comes off and then the filter goes in right here. There's an inlet right here. That's right under the fuel tank. So now we need to pull this out, but we are not really sure So Andrew is doing his research. I'm not really sure either. From what I saw before, what I've seen, that's where it should be, because this looks like a filter box right here, but I'm not sure. That is loud. Oh. This is an intense place to have the filter. There we go. Exposed. Now we pull that out, put the new one in. This is what came out of the bike. That goes out. This goes in. Hopefully it sits correctly at the bottom. Once this secures in, we just drop this back under the tank. This goes in, sits in. You need to make sure this right here goes onto the mount. So I think we're gonna put that together first. Put this on. That's okay. On. This goes on top. Assembly done. This goes right in. Like that. High flow air filter done. We just need to tighten up the hardware. Then we're good to go. Pretty much there. 85% there. Just a few more things to add up. Like this headlamp assembly. That goes back. And the new display. That goes back on. And then this bike needs a good wash. It's dirty as fuck. So it needs a good little wash so that it is shining when we complete it up. Next we jump on to the headlamp assembly, and then we finish the shell of the tank. That's ready right there. But once we fit this in, then we can jump onto that, secure everything back in, the seat goes back on, and then finally just be a couple more changes and we should be good to go. I'm excited to see how this looks with the black now. This was gray before, now it's going to be all black. I think this looks better, a little bit different. Front assembly done. New display. This looks so cool, guys. Check this out. Before you couldn't see shit. Now, nice new display. Now that's done. This is locked in. Now I'm gonna start putting all those puzzles back together and then put this back on top, and then we'll figure out what to do next. All done. Yeah. Tank on. Front's completed. We did have a little bit of an issue with the starter, but are you guys ready for a startup on this? The turbines are sounding mighty fine. Slowly, it's all coming back together positively. In the next video, you guys will see the full reveal of the bike, because obviously you need to clean it up, get it detailed fully, then it's going to look much better. And there's a couple of more things that we need to do, but that's a secret, and I'll share that in the next video. But first, let's turn it off. lesser sound. That was too loud. If you guys like today's video, smash the like button, guys. And if you haven't subscribed yet and like Ducati content, do subscribe. There's a lot more fun stuff coming up. And it's a year since I got the E46, so you know what it is. We're gonna go change it. That's what happens every year. We get a new car. And take a guess. Let me know down in the comments what do you guys think the next one is gonna be. What do you think the next car is gonna be, Andrew? What do you think the next car is going to be? My car?
Your car?
Yeah.
We only just fix motorcycle.
Alright, he doesn't want to even guess. So next time I'm gonna bring it down and show it to him what I buy. But that's it for today's video. This is all coming together. In the next video we're gonna reveal the Monster 696. So stay tuned, you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care, peace out, and have fun.